Well, hello. Alright, so I got the support chains in to help this hitch out. Not that it probably wouldn't handle it, but it was kind of bending. And some of the paint was popping back here. Can't really see it with all the dust on it and everything. But right there, it was popping off. See the difference? Over here, same thing. But yeah, so it was bouncing. I mean, I put a plate underneath and made it tighter and everything. Right there. Well, that plate on. Take up some of this gap in here. But noticing that, I decided to put that chain link in there and weld those tabs on there. And then there was a hole here anyways for moving this top link or this arm linkage for the lower hitch here if you want to have more lift. So I just use that. Got a bolt that fits in there and some washers and a nut, and there you go. Made those tabs. I expect those tabs, this 1/4 inch plate that we're made out of, but those tabs will probably bend out a little bit, but I can tighten them up. Problem is I'm trying to come up with it. Thought I'd have to put a turnbuckle in there right where the chain is, to keep it tight. I'm like, hey, what am I gonna do? Then I kept looking, and these are turnbuckles here on both sides. So I lowered them down 2 inches, put this setup in there, raise them back up. When I lift the hitch up, it's all tight. See, turnbuckle. And it tightens up that chain. And when I'm empty, I don't have to have it tight. But if I'm loaded heavy, I'll make sure they're tight. Yeah, so something I've been wanting to do. I'm thinking that peace of mind, I guess. I mean, I can always take the winch too and hook it to the top of the tab there, but I really don't want to beat on that winch, strip a gear or something, or break something loose on there. I mean, I got it built to what they say I should build it to. This is a 1/4 inch plate, and that's what they require. It doesn't look like it's bent any, maybe a little bit. But either way, I mean, when we did this mount, we put brackets back there too. This one here. But not, that was just to keep it from pulling too much, And then we put this on the side as close as we could. Yeah, what the story is, the chains there. I think that was a good deal. I got them so I can just disconnect them up there with a clevis. Pull that off, if I have to. Gonna make a log skidder for the back here to mount this thing on, so when I want to disconnect, I can just drop it down. Either way, yeah, just a short update on it. All right, let me get some video here of what it looks like. And what it looks like from the side too. I think I can get something like that. I got video of everything, the hydraulic top link, multi-port solenoid hydraulic. 2 on this one. All right. Please like and subscribe. And God bless. All right. Enjoy the day. Summer's finally here. Love you. Bye.